Wondering with Big Sis Eris.
Hi there, kiddos. It's Big Sis Eris. Today, we're answering a cool little question about icy drinks. Why do ice cubes float on top of our drinks? Have you ever sipped juice and tapped the ice cubes with your straw? Ice cubes love to bob on the surface, almost like little dancers having a water party. Here's the secret. Ice floats because it is lighter than liquid water. When water freezes, its molecules hold hands and form tiny little lattice shapes. These shapes have lots of empty spaces inside, almost like a loose, airy snow castle. Because of these spaces, ice becomes less dense than water, and that's why it floats. This is a very special magic trick that belongs only to water. Most things get heavier and sink when they get cold and solid, but water is different. Imagine if ice didn't float. Lakes would freeze from the bottom up instead of from the top. Then fish and other creatures living at the bottom could get trapped in solid ice, which would be very dangerous. And here's something fun. If you push an ice cube down to the bottom of your cup and let go, it pops right back up to the top, just like releasing a floaty underwater. Ice naturally prefers to stay up where the water is less dense. If ice were heavier than water, it would sink and stay still at the bottom, just like a coin dropping into a pool. So, ice floats because water has a special protective magic. It helps ice rise to the top of drinks and lets animals in rivers and lakes survive during winter by keeping the water below unfrozen. Remember, kiddos, next time you drink something cold, watch how the ice drifts and bounces. Just don't eat too many ice cubes, or your tummy might feel chilly. And if you discover more things that float on water, tell Big Sis Eris so we can explore together as little science detectives.
All right, kiddos, did you learn something new today? This is Big Sis Eris. Remember to keep wondering. See you next time. Thank you all so much for your support. Big Sis Eris has now teamed up with professional partners to offer customized family travel. You can take amazing cruises to North America, the Caribbean, and Europe. All the links are right in the channel description. Want to go on a trip? Just ask Big Sis Eris. Let's create the most wonderful family memories together.